Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to share with you how to use emojis on macOS Tahoe. The most basic way is to place your cursor exactly where you want to insert the emoji, and then press Ctrl-Command-Space to open the character viewer window. In case the emoji window doesn't show up fully, for example, if you are typing inside the Apple Notes app, you need to click this small arrow right here to reveal the full emoji panel. On macOS Tahoe, this character viewer is the default window. You can actually switch back to the compact view, just like in older versions, by clicking the icon in the top right corner of the character viewer. That brings you back to the classic interface. If there are specific icons you use all the time, select that icon and click the Add to Favorites button. Those icons will then appear in the Favorites section, making them super easy to access and use regularly. Besides the Ctrl-Command-Space shortcut, you can set up the function key to do this with just one tap. To do that, open System Settings, then go to Keyboard. Right here you'll see an option called Press Globe Key 2. By default, it is set to Change Input Source. You can change it to Show Emoji and Symbols. Now you just need to press the FN key and the emoji window appears instantly. If you don't like using keyboard shortcuts, you can pin the emoji icon to the menu bar. Just click Edit in the Input Sources section. Then select Show Input Menu in Menu Bar. Now a new icon will appear on your menu bar. Just click it and select Show Emoji and Symbols. And here is one final pro tip I want to share in this video. Using the text replacements feature to type emojis faster than ever. In the text replacements window, click the plus sign. Next, type your shortcut abbreviation in the Replace column. For example, I'll type SS. Then in the With column, press Ctrl-Command-Space to pull up the emoji panel and double-click the icon you want. A quick note, sometimes the double-click action might be a bit glitchy. If the icon doesn't appear, just drag and drop it directly into the input box, then click Add. From now on, whenever you chat or write a document, just type the shortcut keyword you set and hit the space key. The system will automatically replace it with the emoji you chose. So that's how to use emojis for beginners on macOS Tahoe. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to check out more macOS tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.